Okay, one black holding tank. We actually have two of those on this unit. One over there, one over here. For bathroom 1 and bathroom 2. And then you're going to have all your hose connections in here. In here you'll find two 10-foot hoses. A clear 90 so you can see it draining. This is called a bridge. You're going to have a 10-foot and a 20-foot. A Y connector if you want to connect both bathrooms at the same time, and a 15-foot in case it's extra long. So today we're going to show you how to connect the two using the Y. So we're going to get this ready. We're going to find our sewer drain pipe over here. Here you'll find, just like they do, our neighbors, we also have a connection as well. We're going to unscrew it. And then we're going to connect ours. Now, sometimes that threaded pipe is long enough for us to thread on here. We have a small, medium, and a large. And then if it's long enough, in this case it's not, we're just going to leave it sitting there. As you can see, bathroom number 1, bathroom number 2. First tank. You can see the connection right here. This is the connection to the first bathroom, and then we're going to unscrew it. And then we're going to go ahead and grab a 10-foot hose, because that's probably all we need here. Go underneath the unit. Twist on. Yeah, same thing here. Twist on. And we got the first one. Now normally we'd have a bridge here, but in this case we're not going to use one. So the second holding tank is right here. And same thing like the first one. We're going to have a pipe here. We're going to undo that. In this case, because it's longer than the other one, we're going to go ahead and use the 15-footer. Just like the last one, we're going to go ahead and connect it. Twisting on. Make sure it's completely twisted, otherwise it will fall off. Nobody wants that problem. Stretch it out. And then untwist this one. Twist that back. And now you have the second one connected. Now because this one's such a far distance, we're going to go ahead and use the bridge so it drains properly. So this is your 20-foot bridge. Stretch it out. In such a manner. Until you get to your destination point. The whole idea of that is to basically have it at an angle so the water drains downwards. Okay, and that's how you connect the hoses to the sewer drain.